uthole from uminister we-ANC uSenzo Mkhulu lo phinde wathatha isingisi washintsha wathatha immediately wathi immediately means later. Ngiyakhumbula lokho wakhitha into ethiwa yi-PKTT political killing task team ebambe lezi igebengu eziveze oMatlala wayichitha wathi ayilungile akufanele kube khona baba khona uGeneral Spear ngiyamkhumbula uGeneral Spear ngabe bekungekho lo muntu ethiwa Herman Mashaba ne-DA ngabe akaza uthola la msebenzi ngoba i-DA noHerman Mashaba we-Action SA bathatha uSpear bamqasha e-ofisini lase-Gauteng bamnikeza umsebenzi omkhulu engayiphasile i-competence. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi